In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset TradingView settings to default. If your chart has drifted off screen, you've zoomed way in, or the scales look cramped and confusing. The quickest way to return to a clean default view is to use TradingView's built-in reset for the chart. This action does not delete indicators, drawings, or templates, and it won't change your symbol, time frame, or color theme. Think of it as a visual reset that restores how everything is framed on your screen. To begin, move your cursor over the main chart area, the canvas where price bars or candles appear. Make sure you're not hovering over a toolbar, a settings panel, or a separate pop-up. Once you're squarely on the chart, right-click. On a mouse, use the right button. On a trackpad, use the standard two-finger click. This opens the context menu tailored to the chart. From that menu, select Reset Chart View. With one click, TradingView instantly recenters your chart and recalculates both the time and price axes. Your zoom snaps back so current and relevant data are in view, and the vertical scale adjusts to fit the action neatly on screen. If you're using multiple panes, such as indicators below the price chart, those will be rescaled as well, so they're easy to read again. It's important to know what this does and doesn't do. Reset Chart View does not remove your moving averages, trend lines, Fibonacci tools, or notes. Your alerts, symbol, time frame, and saved layout remain exactly as they were. It simply corrects the perspective, the pan, the zoom, and the scaling. If you want to zoom back in afterward, you can do that freely. The reset is not permanent and doesn't lock anything down. If you don't see the option right away after right-clicking, try clicking again directly on the plotting area of the chart, away from widgets or embedded panels. Menu labels can vary slightly with interface updates, but the option will clearly reference resetting or restoring the chart view. A few usage tips as you work. After deep analysis, especially when you've scrolled far into the past, use a quick reset to reorient yourself before placing orders or alerts. It reduces mistakes caused by distorted scales. If autosave is on, your layout will remember this clean framing. If you prefer to keep a custom zoom for later, simply wait to reset until you've finished reviewing that area. And that's all it takes. A right-click and a single selection bring your TradingView chart back to a clear, default view in seconds. Thanks for watching and happy charting.